Hey guys, I want to get on today and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Don't give up. Everything's going to be back to a different normal, but don't give up. Think positive. You know, when things happen, sometimes we think, oh, it's never going to be the same. It's going to be awful. It's just we won't be able to hug anybody anymore or shake hands anymore. I think if you go by the guidelines that we've always done, or should have done, before even all this mess, I'm going to call it a mess, came in our lives, you have to do things like when you shake someone's hands, be sure not to put your hands around your face or your mouth. If someone's got a cold, just ask them politely to back off or don't come to your home. Or if you work with someone that comes to work with a sore throat, a cough or whatever, don't go to work when you're like that. And don't go to a restaurant coughing around people. Just common sense about life. It seems like we always think the bad and everything. This is the worst thing that ever happened, and it is bad. Don't get me wrong. I know. We just found out a couple days ago that one of associates of another, not our company, but another company passed away, and it's sad, very, very sad. That being said, but you got to just think common sense. You got to have common sense. You got to have common sense. Can I drill it in any more than common sense? Don't put your hands on your, don't lick your fingers. Don't put your hands around just your face. And if you do, be sure to wash your hands first. I remember one time, I'll tell you a story, and I don't know if y'all are even interested, but if you are, y'all stick with me. I remember my office, and I've mentioned this in another video years ago, but that there was the bathrooms next to my office. And I would see people come in, they go straight to the restroom and come right back out. And I knew the ones that did not wash their hands. I'm going to say 8 out of 10 people did not wash their hands. Now I don't need to pay. I don't want to point fingers. A few were women, but a majority were men. Does parents not teach their kids to wash their hands? And if they did or they do, why did that adult not know to wash his hands or wash her hands? It's interesting, isn't it? So if you shake someone's hand, you've been around them, you've been to the bathroom, wash your hands, wash your hands, wash your hands. It amazes me. I don't know why I even got on that subject, but the bottom line is, when this thing is over with, we will hug again, and we will shake hands again, and we'll be aware of washing our hands. And, if you don't want to be hugged, let that person know you don't want to be hugged. If you don't want to shake hands, do a gesture. And, my husband and I were talking about, now, how are we going to do it? Are we going to do, or what are we going to do? Because we're going to have to, once they tell us we can get back out and go to restaurants and do this and do that and all these places we need to go, we could do the bump or the elbow. But I think we have to continue to be safe because it just makes sense. But anyway, my bottom line is you will hug again and you will shake hands again if it's just a sign or whatever of showing that you care about them. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. And remember, you are loved. You are so loved. So don't give up. Think positive. And remember it's going to be it'll be a day. I think this has humbled us to the point that we're going to appreciate people a lot more. Until tomorrow, I love you. I hope you feel it. And I'm sending you a hug, a virtual hug.